Why do I have a newfound hatred of cardboard spools? Let me tell you. Well, that certainly sucks. I dropped the spool and the other side just ripped right off. Yeah. Fix dry. Come on, man. I love this filament, but the spool just exploded. Well, good thing I have the Pasta-matic respooler, so I put it back together. Now to respool this mess. This may actually be a total loss. Yikes. What a mess. But I'll keep trying. Well, bad news is the Pasta-matic respooler does not hold up to dramatic forces of smashing the shit out of it on a desk. So yeah. Well, the filament respooling didn't go too well because it's a tangled fucking disaster. But, yeah. See what we can resolve. Yesterday we had an unfortunate accident with my Pasta-matic filament respooler, but you know what? Thanks to 3D printing, I was able to print the parts that I needed. I only needed 4 parts, which was great. I don't think I broke anything else, but nicely. Well, anyway, it's done. Check this out. Take it off the build plate, give it a nice little crack. Give it a nice little crack. Give it a nice, I might have to reprint that. Well, it's not cracking, but here you go. 3 parts, all done, ready to build it again. I let it get the best of me with the broken filament, but yeah, check it out. That's the wonders of 3D printing. If you break something, you can just reprint it nice and easy. And for those of you wondering, this part was safe. It fell, but it didn't break. So yeah, very cool.